Hey guys, what's up? This is Ace. I wanted to review a trade that I did today on Amazon. Um, I This is going to be a great lesson in money management, and it's going to be a great lesson in basically knowing when to stop trading is really what this is going to come down to. So you'll see what I mean as you watch the video here. I am on Amazon right now, and it looks like I am getting ready to execute a short position on Amazon. So I'm going to be buying some puts here. And to me, it looks like the chart is beautiful. It looks like it's going to go down. And I am looking to scalp this. Really, I'm looking to get a move maybe down to, I don't know, probably around the low of the day, 27.12. I'm not really looking for much more than that. I was expecting Amazon to fall fairly quickly. Um, but in hindsight, now that I'm watching this, not the right move. But hey, hindsight is 2020. In the heat of the moment, things look a lot different usually. But that's why we practice and we trade and we get better because uh, we're always looking at these. I always record my videos, even the ones I don't publish, and I review them to see what I did right or wrong. So okay, I'm in the trade. You can see I set my limit order at 124. So I'm looking for 124 bucks on the scalp. You see the limit line there. I'm not even getting down to 27.12. So I apologize, guys. Actually, it's 27.15 is where I'm looking to get to. And now that I'm thinking about it, I remember I was thinking 27.15. Nice round number. And I didn't know if price was going to break through or not, and I just figured that'd be a good place to take profits. But then the minute I get in, the price action starts going against me. And so right now you'll see I'm at about $156 in losses. You can see that highlighted area where $23.05 is the actual value of the contract right now. And I still have my take limit in place, but I'm already see, I canceled that take limit because I'm already looking to potentially exit the trade if it's not working out. I put it back on, obviously, again, because it looked like the trade was going to get down to where I needed it to. And if you notice, price got pretty close to my stop limit. But Amazon moves very fast. It's a very expensive stock. Right now, just for one contract, it's costing me what did it cost me? It cost me almost $2,500 just to execute this trade, just to get in it. So I am doing what's called micro scalping, and I'm looking just for a quick profit so I can get out. So right now I'm not liking this. You see, I just canceled the limit order again, and now I'm actually starting to think, okay, this is not working the way I wanted it to. Everything's telling me that Amazon should be going down. I believe right now I'm also looking at the SPY and the Qs, and I believe the SPY and the Qs were actually printing lower. So whenever I see the overall market printing lower, but the stock that I'm trading or scalping is not printing lower, that makes me very nervous. A stock like Amazon, it's even more nervous. It's like hyper nervous because at a $2,500 options contract, you could swing a $500 loss in a matter of like literally 15 seconds if you're not careful. So I just tried to get out of the trade right there, and it did not work. You see, I had a limit up, and then I canceled it. I'm actually looking for my next exit point right now, losing $206. Still trying to get out. Once again, did not work. You can see prices pushing up on me, and I am losing more and more money. And I'm really starting to get a little nervous now. So I'm trying to exit again now out. I could mark it out, but if I mark it out, I'll take a ton of slippage. So I'm really trying to get out if I can on the bid now. The bid is kind of my safety, or excuse me, my ripcord. And so you see, I pushed out on the bid, and I think if I'm not mistaken, I lost about $356 on this trade. You can review the video for the exact dollar amount, but I'm pretty sure it was close to about $356. That stings. I am going to go ahead and look for another trade. So with the magic of editing, I will be right back with the next trade for you. Hey guys, okay, so here we are on the next trade for Amazon. And once again, I am down $346. So I'm definitely looking to try and take another scalp on Amazon. It looks like it's setting up for a long side right now. So I'm going to be taking a micro scalp on the call side. And my whole goal on this trade is to try and get even. Now, if I can't get even, I will be done. So, anyways, you see I just initiated the trade right there, and I am in the trade. Amazon looks really good to the upside right now. Really going for, I would say, gosh, probably trying to get somewhere up in like the 27.35-ish area, maybe 27.40. Okay, so there it is. Yeah, 27.40 area. And that actually makes a little bit more sense because that's kind of getting up towards the high of the day. Not quite the high of the day. High of the day, I think, was 27.50. So it's about 10 points below the high of the day. But once again, I'm trying to get my money back at this point, and if I get profit, great, and if not, I'll just call it a day on a scratch. So that's my goal. So as you can see right now, price is moving very much in my favor. Things are looking good. I think right now we're about $140 in profit. And keep in mind, I was down a lot more than that from the last trade. So um, really, I'm just looking to manage. I have a limit, as you can see, already set in place. I canceled that limit and I'm looking to readjust. I want to make sure that I'm not getting greedy. As you can see, this new candle printing right now, um, I'm wanting to see what this candle is going to do because it looked like it wanted to retrace a little bit, but I'm liking the price action. You can see it's creating a bottoming tail, and now it's breaking over the top of the previous candle. So the trade's still looking real strong. I've kind of given back a little bit of the profits on $95, but with that push up, that's definitely going to go ahead and put me back into a good place as far as profit potential goes. So we are approaching that 27.39 level that I am looking for. And I did actually set my limit, as you can see, up at the $420 profit area at 27.39 or 27.40 if you want to call it that. And so far the momentum looks really good. The TMOS lines are starting to separate on the 5-minute, and we're almost up to my take profit. I've actually brought it down from 420 to 395. Keep in mind, since I've already lost earlier in the day, I'm being very cognizant as far as where my take profit is. I don't want to give back what I've gotten in this trade. So right now I'm about up to $270 in profit in this trade. You can see I slide it back down to 345 now. Once again, I'm just trying to break even if I can. I slid it to 320. So now I'm looking to exit the trade. And there we go. We took the trade off, and I believe we got about $320 on that one. And so I think, if I'm not mistaken, I'm going to be about $37 down. And as you can see, Amazon is continuing to run. So I'm very happy with the trade overall, because once again, I was coming in with a pretty significant loss into this trade. And so my whole goal was just to get my money back. And as I said, I think I really did pull that off. And I'm going to slide in the P&L here. And yes, so now I'm only down $37 for the day. Phenomenal, phenomenal. That was a really good way of being able to go ahead and recover from a bad situation. Now, a lot of people would continue to trade feeling like, hey, they're in a good space now. Me personally, I called it a day after this. I consider this a scratch trade. I went from it being very, very bad, very red day to being a scratch trade. So that's just what's called trading discipline. Very important for you to have if you're going to go ahead and be profitable. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to subscribe to my channel.